Hey guys, and welcome to day 36 of the 40 days of pours. This is yesterday's dried result. I absolutely love it. It looks like a tidal wave, and I'm so glad that I put that silver in there instead of having the white. And I'm really glad that I did try that out, just so I know that that technique does produce the same result. And that's totally okay. And I do apologize that it not being a different technique for you guys. This is totally just an experiment, so if you guys want to do the 40 days, you can totally make up your own list. You can follow along with mine and switch some up. It's totally up to you. This is all about what you want to do. Just have fun with it. So today, what I'm going to teach you guys about is another new technique or experiment, I'll call it, which is going to be the Soulmate Flip Cup. So basically, we're just going to pour it in like a Soulmate pour, flip it over, and pull it up. Alright, so I'm going to speed through this because I know you guys have already seen me do the Soulmate pour a ton of times by this point. And I'm just going to be using Mars Black, Gold, Phthalo Blue, and Quinacridone Magenta. So we're going to kind of do like, it's almost going to be like a dark rainbow. Okay, so we're just going to take this, set it on the canvas, and flip. And of course, I'm going to spin it. Okay, I'm a little nervous to see what we come up with, but I saw the black and white one, and that one looked really cool. So, let's see. Oh, that is gorgeous. Get the corners. Okay. Wow, look at that cup. That is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, I'm not quite sure that it's going to be able to spread very easily. I know that I had the cup pretty full, but I'm still gonna just put some black around. All right, here we go. There we go. Oh gosh. Oops. Because it wasn't really stuck on there very well. I don't know. I might just start to try to stretch it now. Yeah, I think I'm actually just gonna leave it just like this. I love it. It looks cosmic, which, oh, I'm back to the cosmics, which I love. I know I'm still messing with it, but that's how we do. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, here we are for our close-up. I love this so much. It is so galactic and cool, and there's so many layers. Like, look at that. Right there. So many layers. I love this so much, and I love these cells right here. I did not use any silicone in this. So I can't really say whether it produces a different result than a regular flip cup or dirty flip cup or anything like that, but it produces some fun results, that's for sure. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried results.